Today we're going to go over the installation of the new JLT cold air intake for your 2015 to 19 2.7 and 3.5 Eco Boost F150. The kit comes standard with a red oiled filter. We do offer them in blue oiled or a white dry as well. This is going on a blue 2.7, so we're going to go ahead and put a blue filter on it. Tools required is going to be a regular flat blade screwdriver, 5/16 nut driver or 8mm nut driver, and a simple pair of pliers. First thing we need to do is remove the stock airbox, undo the clips holding the airbox lid on, loosen up the clamps at both outlets for going to the turbos with a regular screwdriver. On the back side here, you've got your inlet air temp sensor. Squeeze and pull. Also remove the factory. I'll clean off the top of your airbox lid. Take the foam gasket supplied with the intake, peel the backing off, and attach it to the airbox. Take the JLT heat shield. You got one side with 4 fingers. Put that into that side of the airbox and lock it down. We need to remove the inlet air temp sensor from the stock airbox. It's a twist and pull. So be careful with a pair of pliers. You obviously don't want to break the plastic, but twist it and pull it out. It comes with a O-ring on it for the factory setup. We're not going to need it, but just so you don't lose it, here's what you should do. Just roll it out of the groove and roll it down. That way, if you ever want to go back to stock, you didn't lose your O-ring. So on the 2.7, you're going to use the grommet that's closest to the air filter. Twist and push your sensor in, and use the supplied plug to fill the other hole. Now we can lower it down onto the tubes. You set the filter end in the airbox, and then you need to line up the bottom and the top and get the couplers started. Sure this is sitting down in the airbox all the way. Tighten up your clamps. Okay, the PCV insert is going to be installed in this fitting right here. This tube runs down to the turbo on the driver's side. This one already has a separator on it, so you may have either a separator hose or you may have the factory line. Either way, this is the line right here. So you're going to squeeze the tab to pull that off. You can see right on the fitting itself, it tells you this side toward turbo. So the slash cut side is going to point away from you, but towards the turbo. Slide it in, push it all the way, and reconnect.